Like everyone else, I really love Bali. And the last trip we were there, about a month ago, I heard about this legendary dish called Ayam Betutu. And we hunted all over Bali for the best betutu we could find. And when I first tasted it, it just blew me away. There were flavors and aromas that I had not tasted before. It's got 40 over spices, including incense, which is a very, very interesting thing. First time I've heard about food being cooked with incense, frankincense. So today, I'm going to put together this dish for you. And as you can see on this spread, the first thing we need to do, these 2 chickens have been blanched in oil. And you can see the Balinese style and the Indonesian style is to have the heads of the chicken on and the feet on. And in Bali, they are typically cooked with kampung chickens, and these are kampung chickens, but the Balinese kampung chickens are much smaller. So they are like little pigeons. We need to rub some lime into them, and this will clear out any of the fishiness from the chicken, if there's any. Normal cinnamon. Here we have Javanese dried chilies. I've never seen this before. They taste really, really full of umami. They're not spicy hot, but full of umami. These are dried kaffir lime. They're interesting. I've cooked with normal kaffir lime before, but not with dried kaffir lime. These are candle nuts or kemiri. These add some texture to whatever paste you are making. Buah pala or nutmeg, but these are the Indonesian ones. Or belacan that has been fried. These are Indonesian cinnamon or kayu masoy, what they call bangle. I've never cooked with this before, but it's really, really aromatic. So this is the famous Balinese Bumbu wangian. Now for the next part. The journey continues. We're still making the spice paste, okay? But now it's the wet spices. Chili to taste. Some like it hot, we like it hot in our family. I'm going to add a couple of bird's-eye chili for additional bite. Balinese bumbu or spice paste, they're cooked over a very long period. So a larger grind is actually okay. And this spice paste has got many, many different types of aromatics. And that really takes the sharpness out of the chili. So this is gula aren in Indonesia. Palm sugar. The Malaysians, Singaporeans know it as gula melaka or daun salam. Beautiful. This is a bumbu wangian. We add this in. You give it a massage because you're tenderizing the meat at the same time, and this will help it absorb the bumbu or the spice paste much better. Don't forget the cavity. So what's going to happen is that this is going to be wrapped tightly in banana leaf, and the chicken is going to cook with the spice paste and its own juices over 2 hours. And this is going to cook for 2 hours. The other chicken goes into this one. Wow, look at that. Ayam Betutu khas Bali. The flesh is moist. It's been steeping in its own juices for 2 hours. Chicken betutu, specialty of Bali. It's falling off the bone. Look at that. Amazing. Oh my goodness. You guys should taste this. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Beautiful. Mmm.
Gifts.
Tell me how it tastes.
Food.
How about the chicken? Can I try the chicken?